Hi guys! Hi, today we're in tOpIA. My voice sounds kind of different actually. Okay guys, today we're in tOpIA and my brother just joined. What? My brother just joined, but he's not right next to me. What? Okay, I thought we would have some fun in tOpIA. But I guess my brother's here. What is he doing? And then I'm in a police outfit. Oh yeah. Okay, I was my police my brother and he left. Oh, I thought I could make a video. Where's my brother? Brother! Where is he? He's not like talking to me. Nathan! Stop! Okay, he's not. He's ignoring me. And if you hear some background noises, I'm sorry. I don't know how to like to cut voices out or anything. Okay. Where's my brother? Is he in the house? Like, he's in the house? Is he in the house? I think he left. He said he want to play another. He said he want to play another game, so it's like he's in the house. There he is. Very ugly bird. Okay, I got an idea. So, how about maybe we put some pranks on him? Like he's not here. I'm gonna maybe like try to put myself invisible. I was gonna change my name because I really do like bored. Okay. I was playing frogs with my brother. Okay, maybe we should put some pranks on him. Okay, I'm gonna say that I'm going to like watch YouTube. No, I'm gonna watch YouTube. You can sit here if you want. Please stay. Okay, he said okay. Oh no, you can't let me trespass. Nathan, my friend is gonna join, so can you unlock it? Can you unlock her? Okay. Nathan, my friend is gonna join, so can you unlock your house for her? Okay, I told him to like, my friend's gonna join, so like, unlock the house for her. Okay, I'm gonna put on this sky. I actually love this frog outfit. I want this avatar, but I don't have enough Robux, I don't think. No, oh, sorry. I'm gonna leave now. Okay. If I'm still here, it means I'm glitching, okay? I'm gonna go to another spot where it's not glitchy. He plays everything. He doesn't really play a lot of Roblox. So he doesn't really get anything about Roblox. He's silly dumb. But I love this frog outfit. Should I change my channel to like frog or something? That's cute. Okay, now I'm putting on disguise. Okay, talk about my wonderful disguise. Oh, beautiful. 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 My wonderful disguise. Actually, no. I want this. Oh, that's cute. That's good. This is actually cute. Okay, I like this. Yeah, I'm like, let's even like normal avatars. Wow. A toilet? I could use a toilet. Oh my god, what? I'm talking too loud, I don't know why. I don't know if you're hearing me. I want to be a toilet. Ooh, or this cat, this fat cat. Okay, I'm gonna be a fat cat. I'm gonna change my name to, my name will be Bobby. Like, Bobby. No, Bob, just Bob. Bob. I love the name Bob. I just love it. I'm obsessed with the name Bob for some reason. No, it's huh? My friend is gonna come later. Okay, man. He's gonna come later. Okay, Alex, maybe. His name, His name is I. Hopefully, he doesn't like think it's me. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think he's leaving. Maybe I can like put some pranks on him. I mean, I don't really know how to pull pranks. I'm really bad at pulling pranks. Every prank I pull, nobody laughs at it. Okay, so I got a first idea. So, before, I was playing, I played with him and I was making a eggs and bacon heaven. Basically, I was just like putting food all around. So maybe I could just put some food all around here. Eggs and bacon heaven, heaven, eggs and bacon heaven. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna like hide somewhere later. Eggs and bacon. Nathan, my friend said he's gonna join later. He's not here yet. Okay, I'm pretty he's not here yet. run. I saw the door open. I saw the door open. Run. I'm gonna teleport in the house. Teleport. Taxi. Okay. I thought it was really funny. I got really scared. I ran away. Wait. Which was the day? Okay. I hear him saying anything. He's been saying in the chat. He's not really talking about much. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't say his name, but I'm gonna say I. He doesn't talk usernames. You're on mute and cannot talk in this chat. Why? What? I'm not muted. Oi. He doesn't have chat because he doesn't really know how to write, maybe. I don't know. He's really young. He's never that young, but yeah, I don't know if he's so. No, the read, baby. A small baby. Okay, he is. I think he was in house number 13. Okay. This is a nice little. Oh, by the way, his username is Nathan Kung Ho. What? Nathan Kung Ho. Don't know why. Santa Claus. Okay. Have these suspected anything yet? Run! Okay, have these suspected? Oh, I think it's my friend! Say hi! Hi. He knew how to at least say something. Oh my god, he's so funny. He's so funny. He's so cute. He's always funny. Hi, how was friends? What the heck? I was friends to get out of this letter. What the heck? What is he saying? How was friends to get rid of this letter. How was friends to get rid of this letter? Later? Question marks. I think he used like the thing where you like sometimes how I say this, like the button where microphone where it just says like hi, how are you, and then it just translates, if you get what I mean. I'm gonna put some more eggs and bacon heaven for you. What do you mean? He's asking why is there eggs and bacon? I'm gonna say you just so like you. So like pretend I don't know what this is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say go to the park so I can put my pranks. Go to the park. Okay, he left, I think. He left. Okay, I'm gonna go to this room. I don't know his room. I think that upstairs. He's there. I wonder. I'm wondering which is his room. I think it's upstairs. Just upstairs. I don't know. Don't ask me. Oh my god, I'm so bad at climbing the stairs. I don't know why. My butt is so easy, but it's so hard. Huh? Yeah, he loves cats, I think. I mean, I love cats. I don't have a stuffy nose. Okay, I'm gonna put all these eggs and bacon everywhere. Oh no. I'm putting bacon everywhere. Hi! Oh no! You haven't suspected me yet. Okay. I'm like crying. It's so funny. Okay, I'm putting eggs and bacon and I'm gonna leave. He said, he didn't hear. He's like, he's putting eggs and bacon everywhere. Huh? Why? He can hear him. He's like, I moved to a new place because he's putting eggs and bacon everywhere. Okay, then move. I don't care. Okay, also, if my voice or like if like really loud, the audio, I'm sorry, I do not know how to like fix audio. I'm bad at audio. Like, this is my first time doing audio. I think it's my first time doing audio. So yeah. Okay, where is he now? If I was him, I feel like he'd be in the park or the beach. Oh shoot. Oh, nothing. Oh no. I was just sleeping. Hey, go away. No, get rid of it. No. So yeah, just go out. Get out. Get out of here. Okay. Oh no. He almost found out. Okay, I locked my door so he can come in. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm gonna say, OMG, your sister is so pretty. I'm really. I'm not pranking you at all! I'm watching Mariah Elizabeth! I love her channel. Oh no. Oh no. Where is he now? Is he in the house? Is he in this house? I'm not pranking you, I promise! Okay, he said it was something new to live. He said he wanted to listen to the news, so maybe he's like in the news. Wait. What's my news? Really? He said somebody's in my house and putting eggs and bacon everywhere, but I'm not in his house anymore. What do you mean? I was so close. When he almost found out. But I put it like a pillow over the laptop so you can see. Oh no! It's his private property now. Oh, I got an idea. Let's go to tools. I love to do this a lot with Nathan. When he doesn't let me in his house, I just like put a one else everywhere. And like when he wants to come in, I'll explode him. Come in. Come in. How dare you shoot me? Do you just respect me? Okay. Oh, come on. Ahem. 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 Don't shoot me. Wait, oh my god, it's so cold here. It's seriously cold in my room. I'm gonna get some blanket. I'm blowing him up. I'm blowing her up. Where is he? No, I put it in the wrong thing. I put it in the wrong place. Okay, I'm gonna put it in his house. I'm gonna put it in his house. If he comes in his house, I swear. If he comes in his house, I am gonna put it in his house. Okay. No property trespassing. I don't care. Bomb. Wait, actually, wrong place. Bomb. Right over here. I might need to find a new place. Another. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. There's a meteor shower. Oh my god, look. There's like. Oh no. Oh my god. I'm gonna be like. Oh my god. There are these everywhere. What are these? I'm calling this tOpIA game. Oh my god, I'm rich. Am I rich? What do I get after this? What do I get after this? Okay, I don't think he's like gonna come out of his house anymore. I don't know. I'll just. Oh, he's saying that he locked his friend out of his house because he locked my friend. I'm saying like that's my friend if you forgot, and then like he's saying I locked your friend out of my house because he's so creepy. Oh, don't lock him! He's crying. He told me he's crying. He's really sad, and he's gonna he's a hacker. He's gonna hack you if you don't let him in. I guess. He's telling me to he's telling you to let him in. I guess. Oh my god, this is so funny. Let me in, dum dum. Let me in, dum dum. Let me in. Come on, let me in. Okay, guys, I don't think he's gonna let me in. So, if he lets me in, I'm gonna continue recording. But I think it might take a while and be really boring. So, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this really random video, I guess. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.